Okay. Okay, you ready? Well. So boom here. Here with it, Shanice. Put it in. It's one, so it's live, right? When you ready, all right? So I'm gonna hand it off to you, okay? So grab it. Remember where you hold your finger at? So hold it with two hands. Put your other hand around there. Make sure you got a tight grip. This has to be compressed in too. So put your hand all the way up there. Yeah. That was. Okay. So yeah, you ready? Extend your arms out some. Okay. Can you see? Are you shooting? Okay. So when you're ready, make sure you got a nice little grip on it. When you're ready, go ahead. Don't let it get away from you now. You ready, Jay? Come over here. You good? No. You keep doing your thing with that one. Jay and I, we're gonna be over here. All right, Jay, you ready? Make sure you got your eye things all the way on or something.
It's supposed to be like this.
Okay. I get it. Let me take this off. All right, go ahead. It's one in there already. All right.
Oh, right. Right here?
Yes.
Yeah. No. I got how to hold it now.
Yeah, go ahead. Remember the rules, right? You don't put your finger on the trigger till you're ready to shoot.
Till you're ready to shoot. So left hand, like right here. Yeah, like this.
Yeah, make sure you step up. Okay, make sure you aim, lift up a little bit. Lift up a little bit.
Oh shoot.
So you gotta extend it out. You got a nice stance. Okay, whenever you're ready, Jay. Yeah, whenever you're ready. Hold on a sec. Chinese, hold on. Don't put your second hand up here at all, though.
My second hand?
Yeah, because you kind of don't hold up here or anything. Just kind of like, just give you a second hand either like around here, or you can have it. Yeah, that can work. So you aim it again, and hit it right in the heart, right? So.
Like this?
Yeah. So you know this slides back, right? So you keep your hand away from this part up here, and keep this up under here, under this beaver tail part. But you good. You just want to make sure they don't catch. Put this hand back some, like that. Then just put that kind of forward like that. So you hold it like that right there. Then just make sure you got a good aim. Where you aiming at, Jay?
Center.
Okay. So you look to the back. So you see I was only on 10? So it go up to 12, so you can put 3 more in there. So you gotta put some pressure to it though.